Breaking news.
Breaking special report.
I'm Scott.
And I'm Olivia from 9 News at 7. We have just received information that a flood is headed our way.
A flood!
We seem to be having a lot of those lately, haven't we, Steve?
Yes, we have.
But how will we protect the plants?
Yes!
Is it possible to create a stronger levee or alternative flood prevention structure
Without compromising the surrounding environment?
And I wonder, what materials would be best for creating a levee?
Yes, good question. And for the plants, what degree of control of the flood?
Doing an experiment to test those very questions.
Oh, if I was you, I would check that out because I can't be good at experiment.
Oh no, here comes the flood!
Hi, my name is Leo,
My name is Brennan.
and for our half of the Floods experiment, we had to figure out the breaking force of 3 different materials.
Yes, so we have cellulose, tile, and wood,
So, the way we is above the materials,
or 15 centimeters.
or 15 centimeters, roughly.
And then we dropped it.
And then we dropped it, and knowing the time it took to reach the materials and then the distance under, which is roughly 10 inches, we could figure out the force. The second experiment, we had to figure out what water would do to our materials after being submerged in it for a week.
We put the materials in water
As such,
and waited.
for a week. After a week, we took the materials out, for example, this piece of tile,
And then we dropped the weight on it again to see if its breaking point changed. Now we could show you what happens, but we won't, because you'll have to check our board.